Okay, good morning children. Today we will solve numerical based on reflection and refraction. So first question here is refractive index. We will solve numerical related to refractive index. What is the question here? Refractive index of diamond with respect to glass is 1.6 and refractive index of glass with respect to diamond is 1.5. So you have to calculate the refractive index of diamond with respect to air. Now what is the meaning of refractive index? You all know refractive index, it is the measure of the ability of the medium, how much it can bend the ray of light. Now there are different formulas for refractive index. One formula is refractive index of any medium with respect to another medium. Suppose first medium is air and second medium is glass. So if you want to calculate the refractive index of glass with respect to air, that means how much the glass medium can bend the ray of light, that you want to calculate. The formula is N21. N stands for refractive index. Refractive index of second medium, that is glass, with respect to air, it is equal to, this general formula is refractive index of glass upon refractive index of air. This is general formula to calculate refractive index. Now we all know refractive index of air is the minimum. Air or vacuum is minimum. It is 1.0008 something. 8. That is the refractive index of air. And refractive index of glass is 1.5 something. So if you calculate it, will be 1.5 divided by 1, that is equal to 1.5, you will get it. So refractive index of glass with respect to air is, the formula is N2 upon N1. So whenever you want to calculate refractive index, this is the general formula. N21 is N2 upon N1. So in this way we generally calculate the refractive index. Now here the question is, you have to calculate the refractive index of diamond with respect to air. So we will use this general formula and calculate the refractive index of diamond with respect to air. So how do we calculate it? Now, according to question, it is given refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. That is refractive index of diamond, that is ND with respect to glass. That is refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. It is given. It is equal to 1.6. This is one thing. Second, refractive index of glass with respect to air is given. Refractive index N, refractive index of glass G with respect to air, GA. A stands for air, subscript it is given there, G stands for glass. Refractive index of glass with respect to air, it is given 1.5. What you have to calculate is refractive index of diamond with respect to air. Now, when you want to calculate refractive index of diamond with respect to air, that means you have to calculate NDA. This you want to calculate it. So how do we calculate this one? So here, if you use this formula, refractive index of diamond with respect to glass, it is actually what it is. This we have to calculate it. Refractive index of diamond with respect to air, we have to calculate it. Now what is the meaning of this one? Refractive index of diamond with respect to glass is actually refractive index of diamond upon refractive index of glass. Now generally we calculate refractive index of any medium with respect to air generally. So refractive index of diamond with respect to air divided by refractive index of glass with respect to air. That is the meaning of this statement. NDG, that is refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. So we will use this formula here. Refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. The formula is refractive index of diamond with respect to air divided by refractive index of glass with respect to air. This is the formula, general formula. N21 is N2 upon N1. Same thing. NDG is refractive index of diamond with respect to air. Air is the lightest medium, so we use this formula here. We calculate diamond with respect to air divided by refractive index of glass with respect to air. Air is taken as a common medium here. So what is diamond with respect to glass refractive index? It is 1.6 is equal to, what is diamond with respect to air? This we have to calculate it. Refractive index of diamond with respect to air, NDA upon glass, refractive index of glass with respect to air. It is given here 1.5. So when you solve it, you get, what do you get here? NDA, diamond, refractive index of diamond with respect to air equal to 1.6 into 1.5. So this is equal to near about it will be equal to 2.4. So in this way you get the solution here. Refractive index of diamond with respect to air equal to 2.4. So this is how we have to solve this problem. Clear all of you? Now next question we will solve it. Now what is next question here? Question is a convex lens. Second question. A convex lens produces three times magnified real image. Magnified real image when placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from it. 20 centimeter from it. Now question is, find the position of image and focal length. Find position of image and focal length. Now question again I am reading here. I am reading the question here. A convex lens produces 3 times magnified real image. Now question is, lens is convex, it is producing 3 times magnified real image. So what is the things given here? Magnification is given here. It is 3 times magnified real image, that is 3. Now since the image is real, so real we will use the sign convention negative. So minus 3, this is for real image. Magnification for real image is minus 3, that is magnified 3 times, it is larger, 3 times larger, the image is 3 times larger, and also it is real image. For real image the sign is negative. So m equal to minus 3 when placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from it. So distance object is placed at 20 centimeter, that is u. U is given minus 20. We always take u to be negative. So u object distance is minus 20 centimeter. Magnification is minus 3. So use the formula, magnification formula for mirror for lens is m equal to v upon u. When you use this formula, we get m is how much? Minus 3. So you get minus 3 is equal to v. We don't know v. We have to calculate v here. Find the position of image. That is v. We have to calculate v upon u. U is minus 20. Minus 20. So v will be equal to minus 3 into minus 20. That is equal to 60 centimeter. Now it is positive 60. Positive 60 means the image is formed on the right side. And right side we all know convex lens produces real image. So your answer you got the answer v equal to 60 centimeter. That is the correct answer. The real image you got it. Second part, you have to calculate the focal length. Now how do you calculate the focal length? Use the formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. That formula we will use it here. So using that formula, focal length 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So focal length you have to calculate 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v, that is 1 upon 60 minus u is 20, minus 20, minus become plus. So you got the 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 20. So 60 is the LCM, and you solve it 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4 upon 60. So m will be equal to 60 upon 4, that is equal to 15 centimeter. So you got the focal length of convex lens 15 centimeter. That means positive 15 you are getting it. And we all know convex lens, the sign convention for focal length is positive. So 15 centimeter, positive 15 centimeter is the focal length. So in this way we solve this second numerical. Is it clear? Now next problem we will solve. So this was related to lens, convex lens. Now next problem we will solve related to concave mirror. Now lens we have solved it. Now mirror we come on to mirror. A concave mirror forms 2 times virtual image. A concave, what is the question here? A concave mirror forms 2 times virtual image when the object is placed at 10 centimeters from it. When the object is placed at 10 centimeters from it. Now what is the question here? You have to calculate the position of image and the focal length. Find the position of image and its focal length of concave mirror. Now again see the question here. The mirror is concave, it forms 2 times virtual image, magnified virtual. 2 times virtual image means it is magnified virtual image, that is m equal to virtual image. In mirror, concave mirror, virtual image is formed on the right side, virtual image is magnification is taken to be positive. So here plus 2 times magnified image, and we know the formula of magnification is m equal to minus v upon u for mirror. So use this formula, plus 2 equal to minus v. We don't know v, we have to calculate v. U is given here, placed at 10 centimeter. U is here minus 10 centimeter given here. This concave mirror, u is minus 10 centimeter. So you put it here minus 10. So you get this cancelled. V equal to 2 into 10, 20 centimeter. Again, v you got positive. That means on the right side the image is formed. That means image is formed on the right side. Then only v will be positive here. So it is in concave mirror, right side virtual image is always formed. So you got the image position is plus 20 centimeter. Now calculate the focal length. Now in one case only, you know, in concave mirror forms only a virtual image when the object is kept between pole and focus. Now object is kept at 10 centimeter. That means whether we have to calculate it whether it is placed between focus and pole or not. So to find out focal length, we find out focal length. If it is greater than 10, then your answer is correct. So v is 20, we got it 20. Now we will use focal length formula. 1 upon f equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v, mirror formula. Clear? So 1 upon u is minus 10 and v you got it 20. Clear? So you will get it 20 is the LCM, minus 2 plus 1, that is f equal to 1 upon f equal to minus 1 upon 20. So f will be equal to minus 20 centimeter. So you got f more than 10 centimeter, that is minus 20 centimeter. That means your answer is correct. Focal length is minus 20 centimeter. Clear? So this was a problem related to mirror, concave mirror. Now we will solve problem related to one more problem related to concave lens. Now all these numericals are based on reflection as well as refraction. Now next question is a concave lens forms an image of an object at a distance of 10 centimeter from it. 10 centimeter from it. Find the object distance. If the focal length of lens is 20 centimeter. Find the object distance. You have to calculate here. Object distance means u. Find the object distance if focal length is 20 centimeter. Also find magnification. Also. magnification. So how we will solve this problem? So it is a concave lens here. It is forming an image of an object at a distance of 10 centimeter. You all know in concave lens, this is a concave lens. Image always form a virtual image. In a concave lens, you always get a virtual image, and virtual image is formed always on the, where it is getting it, you are getting it on the right side. That means here you will get the, sorry, on the left side you will get the virtual image, that is on the same side where the object is kept, you will get the image. So left side you get the image, that means V will be equal to -10. So you have to use here sign convention. Since in a concave lens virtual image is formed on the left side, so V is taken to be -10 centimeter. Okay. In a concave lens always a virtual image is formed, and it is formed on the left side. So V is -10 centimeter. F is given here. Since this is a concave lens, F is 20 centimeter. You have to take -20 centimeter. Now use the formula, lens formula, 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So 1 upon F. So you have to calculate here U. So 1 upon U will be equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon F. This formula you will use it here. So this will be equal to 1 upon V is 1 upon -10 and plus 1 upon 20 to become. Since F is -20, minus becomes plus. So 1 upon U, you get it. 20 will be the LCM. 20 is the LCM, and here it will become -2 plus 1. So what you get here? You get here. You solve this one. You get 1 by U. 1 by U is equal to, you get -1 upon 20. Here, so U will be equal to -20 centimeter. So this is the object distance. Object distance is -20 centimeter. Now also you have to calculate the magnification. So again you see you got U to be -20 centimeter. That means this object is kept on the left side. Your solution is correct. Second part is the magnification. You have to find it out. V is -10, U is -20. You can find out magnification using the formula M equal to, what is the formula? M equal to, in lens it is V upon U. So V is -10, U is -20. So when you solve it, 1 upon 2 you will get it, that is 0.5. So magnification is 0.5. 0.5 means it is less than 1, it is smaller. So the image in concave lens always you get virtual and erect image, and it is always smaller image you will get it. So you got it here, magnification 0.5 means the image is smaller. So in this way you can solve the problems related to reflection and refraction. In next class we will solve more numericals related to these questions. Thank you very much.